What's happening? So we have got, not talking to you, Memo. We got the grass done. So I did a video the other day. It's on Monday, Friday. I don't even, no, Friday. So I'm going to show you the completed project. And first off, I just want to wish my wife a happy 2nd year anniversary. Thank you for allowing me to work late. And then my son's first birthday, so he'll not remember, so it's not a big deal. But anyway, we got this job wrapped up. So, and I'm excited that I'm actually getting to wear a hoodie. Hoodie weather's here. All right, so here it is. So remember the other day, this is all dirt, front to back. Now we've got this all installed. So we talked about raising our catch basins. This is just called a service box. We haven't cleaned it yet. So this allows if a technician needs to come in, I don't want them to disrupt my synthetic. And if they do, it's not the end of the world. This is all just stapled down. So, I mean, check this out. You have a side yard like this. You need this, and you just don't know it yet. No. We've got all our surface catch basins that are in here. We've actually cut out for the valve box. We haven't washed it yet, so we will in a minute, but this is also service oriented. One last thing that might look a little different. So the way the contour rose to get to the actual mud board on the fence exposed part of the post of the concrete. So I didn't want to rig it, so we just boxed this in, and then we did the black metal with granite. And then as you walk around here, all this area now is all clean. Look at that. That's great. So anyway, homeowner just got back in. They're really happy. Oh, we're talking about building a fire pit in this area. So, but we can do that at a later date. We can always come back in and cut around that. Lay some plywood down so we can build and do our masonry work. But this is it, man. I mean, look at that. It green year round, man. That's awesome, right? So, anyway, we got this one wrapped up. Like I said before, if you guys are interested in a synthetic grass quote, give me a call. This is a length times width. Busted this quote out. You know, travel time, got back to the office, shot it over within an hour, talked about the different types of grass that we want to do, and game on. And now they have full use of their side yard. They don't have a dog. I was wrong about this the other day. They let the kids out, and then now there's another access point too. So they have the pool. They were going to go around the house last year, like when all the kids are over and wet. Well, now they can go this way. So it's a win-win-win. Anyway, I highly recommend anybody's got one of those, just a side yard of those dead spots. This is it. This is what works the best. And it's soft to the feet. And longevity, different people say about 8 to 12 years. UV is going to play a big role in that. Obviously, installation is going to play a role in that. So we try to do the right thing. And if we have any warranty issues, you know, it's really easy to fix. So Memo is going to clean it all up. Say hi, Memo.
Hi.
Say hi. All right. Anyway, guys, thanks a lot for following along. And if you got any questions, email me, graveslawn@spcglobal.net. See ya.